we have Mia, who's been begging for bangs even though we grew them out over a year ago. She's got this cowlick. I've partitioned out the top of her head and I've wet it, but I know that it will dry shorter, so keep that in mind. And I'm just gonna go right above the eyebrows.
Yeah.
Look at me, babe. Close your eyes though, I mean the angle of your face. And I'm pushing down, that's gonna make them shorter than I cut also. Okay, so let's see.
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah, I really love it.
Let's see.
Your hair looks so different.
Boom. Okay, they're just gonna be like that and I'll see what happens when they dry. I may trim them up, but see how you cut the cowlick there?
Yeah, I love it.
You love it? She's got little curtain bangs. All right, okay babe, you're done. Shake off all the hair. Here. You love it?
I love it.
Oh, I'm so happy. And now we match.
Am I cute, Mom?
You are. You're cute with or without bangs. Don't even worry about it.